Welcome to Astro Sattva courses. If you are watching this video, then either you have interest in astrology, or you are a student of astrology, or you are a professional astrologer already, or you are a critic of astrology. Either way, welcome once again to Astro Sattva courses. And I believe you will definitely find some value out of this portal as well as from Astro Sattva courses. My name is Aman, and I started learning astrology more than 2 decades back as a hobby. And let me tell you that I have found it so easy that I am sure that if I can do it, you also can do it. You also can learn it. And that's the reason that I made the course, fundamental course on Indian Vedic astrology, so that everyone can easily learn astrology, apply the principles, analyze the horoscopes of friends and family, and analyze the horoscope of self to understand the life challenges. So now comes the question that what actually astrology is. The calculation of planets, calculation of signs, houses, their interplay, yes, definitely that is there. But one misconception that is already there, that is always there, is that the outer planets that are there in the sky, do they really affect us? The answer lies in the fact that the planets are actually inside us. The inner energies, the inner emotions, the inner thoughts, when they are given a name, it's named as a planet. The planets are actually inside us. The entire world, entire Brahmand is actually inside us. The negative energies, the positive energies that we have, that we are carrying inside us, they are given different names. And they actually affect us. So this concept, if is understood well, definitely people will start understanding the value of astrology. That how it actually helps us, how it actually affects us, and why actually everyone should understand and learn astrology. So even if you want to learn astrology as a hobby, this course is for you. If you want to grow as a professional astrologer, this course is definitely for you. Because in this course, all the basic principles are covered, starting from the very basics to the advanced concepts of systems approach astrology. They are covered in detail. Astronomical data, astrological significations of signs, houses and planets, everything is covered in detail in this fundamentals course. And when you learn these principles, you definitely get well versed with all the equipments, all the tools, all the formulas to apply on the horoscopes, to find out the life challenges, find out the strengths of the charts and strong areas of the life. And we do it with the help of real life case studies. There are 35 real life case studies that I have explained in this course that you can go through and apply the principles that you will learn in the theoretical part. And then comes the question that why one should learn astrology. As I said, that either you have started as a hobby like me, or there are some challenges in the life, there are some problems in the life for which you are finding out the solution. And to find out the solution, you either must have gone to the astrologer, one astrologer, two astrologers, or you must have contacted a number of people who might be following numerology, tarot, or some other streams, related streams. Either you have found the solution or not. Probably not. That's why you are still looking for some solution, or you are looking for some more knowledge in this area. That's why you are here. So actually the challenge is that when you go to someone with your horoscope, along with your query or your problem to get the solution for, you are not very sure about the competence of the person who is going to tell you, who is going to give you the reading from the analysis of your horoscope. So that is why it is important that you learn it yourself. Understand the real challenges and real strengths of your chart yourself. And it's not very difficult. It's not at all difficult. Understand the basic principles, apply them in your horoscope, and try to find out the challenges and strengths. And at any point in time you have any doubt, feel free to ask questions. Raise your queries. You will get an answer from me. Enrolling into the course is the first step. But that's not the end. That is actually the beginning of the relationship. All the students who have enrolled into this course as of now, they are a part of Astro Sattva family. And they will get continuous support. They will get continuous knowledge sharing. That's actually my intent. The basic intent to develop this course is to enable and empower everyone so that they can look at their horoscope themselves and find out the life challenges and strengths, as I said before. So the fundamental course starts with the basic concepts and theory. What is astrology? How planets affect us? Applications of astrology in various life areas where all astrology can be applied. What is natal chart? What is transit chart? What are different technical terminologies used in astrology? Equinox, enamsha, sidereal time, conjunction, aspect. All these things are covered in great detail in this course. Then how to identify different planetary influences in the chart. You will understand all these concepts in great detail. And then significations of various signs, houses and planets. Those are covered in detail. Because there are multiple significations of every sign, multiple significations of every planet, and multiple significations of every house. So first of all, the understanding of what is a house, what is a sign, what is a planet, and then the understanding of their significations. That is explained in detail in the fundamentals course on Indian Vedic astrology. And once we are done with the significations part, we move on to the planetary periods and transit, understanding of that, the calculation, how the Dasha calculation is done, how the transit actually affect us. And then comes the detailed principles of systems approach astrology that is developed by Professor V.K. Chaudhary. The system is very accurate, but the only condition is that one must be well versed with all the principles to apply them while analyzing the horoscopes. And once we are done with the basic principles, then we take up real life case studies in the second section of the course. And there are 35 real life case studies explained by applying various principles that we have learned in the first part of the course. So that is why the practical knowledge, the practical application of principles will really help the students who enroll into the course to go deeper into the field of astrology and do good to humanity. So just to give you a little overview and small glimpse of the course, let's review some parts of the course. So the course actually started with the basic introduction. We'll start with the basic concepts and the theory. And I have already explained the structure of the course. And now let us talk about what is astrology. And after the introduction, we went on to the technical terminologies of astrology. The equinox is the time when the sun crosses the equator and the day and night are the same. Significations of signs covered in detail. The professions ruled by Sagittarius are teacher, preacher, public speaker because of the influence of Jupiter. Significations of houses covered in detail. The degree rising at the ascendant becomes the MVP. So 0 degrees 21 minutes is the most effective point of the horoscope. And any planet placed within the 5 degrees orbit of the rising degree or the MVP will influence that house. Significations of planets covered in detail. It's an aristocratic planet, a natural Atmakarak planet. Chapter 8, the most important chapter, explaining various principles of systems approach astrology. Simply look at the chart, look at the ascendant, look at 6 to 12, whether there is a Mool Trigona sign, yes or no. If yes, then that planet is functional malefic. If no, then just keep that planet as is for the rulership of the benefic house, because that Mool Tribhuvan sign is falling in the benefic house. And then comes the most interesting part of the course, the case studies. And Mars is afflicting ascendant as well. Mars is afflicting 5th house as well. So these are the sort of afflictions that are going from 10th house. So by now you must have got some basic idea of fundamentals course, that how the things are explained in this course, why this course is important for you, who this course is for. This course is for beginners. If you want to start your astrology journey, if you want to really move forward, go deeper into the field of astrology, this course can be your starting point. If you are a professional astrologer, this course will really help you in sharpening your predictive skills. So whatever queries you may have, feel free to post them either on the contact us page or by WhatsApp or by email. I look forward you to enroll into the course, learn astrology, understand the basic principles, and analyze your horoscope yourself. Thank you.